Hi folks, today I will show you how to prepare a fresh and healthy dessert. It is with strawberries. I will cut the green leaves and then you put it in a cup. If all the strawberries are in the cup, you put over some yogurt natural. First I start with the strawberries. And I take off the green leaves on top and then cut the strawberries into pieces and put them into the cup. Fresh and healthy, of course. It goes on and on and on just until I have enough strawberries in the cup. I'm not sure how much it is for you good or for me good. Just your own choice, of course. I did forget to take a spoon, so now I take a spoon and take the yogurt natural, open it, and then take out with the spoon the yogurt and put it over the strawberries in the cup, of course. Yum yum, very fresh and healthy. If it's enough for you, it's enough for me. Then you mix it up. Now first I'm gonna show you. Then you can mix it up and very healthy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.